Hello everyone, this video is mainly dedicated to understand the sealing quality of the packaging films. So we'll discuss about two equipments here. The heat seal tester, in which we'll apply a specific temperature, pressure and time to seal the sample, and then we will use a seal strength tester to see that whatever parameters we have fed was appropriate or not by pulling it apart. So first of all, we'll do the specimen preparation. Okay, so for this we have used this template. So this is a 150 by 25 mm template. Either you can use directly a cutter to cut it, or you can make this kind of marking. We have cut this specimen. Now we'll take this out. So this is the prepared specimen. Now I want to perform the heat sealing of this. We'll understand that what is the, if whatever parameter we will be feeding. Right now I am setting 190 degrees Celsius temperature at 4 bar and 0.6 seconds. I will seal the sample and then we will check the sealing strength of it. So this is our heat seal tester. So let me just open the cover. So this is the jaw, pneumatic jaw with which we used to seal the specimen. So by width it is 15 mm and by length this is 300 mm. Okay, here you can see the indicator. So you can see that these are the PID temperature controller, and I have set 190 degree Celsius as the temperature, and dwell time at which this sample will be sealed, it is 0.6, which I have fed it. So it can be according to the customer, according to the R&D they are doing at different temperature, different time. And the third thing is the pressure. So I will be setting the pressure to, let's say, 4 bar. So this I have set. Now I will be sealing the sample. So we can apply different temperature, pressure, times, and we can seal the sample and see that which parameter is fine. How we will understand that this parameter is fine or not? So that we will see in this video only, the another part of this video. So we'll cover it so that our fingers are not injured while sealing the sample. So this is the specimen, and the best part is that you can set the different temperature of this PID also, or the same also. So right now I am setting the same temperature. I have placed it like this and I will seal it. So you can see I have sealed it. I will let it cool for 1 minute and then we will perform the seal strength test of it. Now this is our peel, adhesion and bond seal strength tester. So right now we will be performing the seal strength test of the specimen which we have cut, and we have set the parameters on it. So we will understand that whatever parameters we have fed was correct or not, okay, by judging the load of pulling apart, of desealing. Okay, so for that, if I want to perform a standardized test, I will be following an ASTM standard, ASTM F88, which says that we have to prepare a 25 mm width of specimen, and the length after sealing has to be 76 mm, and here also 76 mm, and then we have to perform the seal strength test with the 300 mm per minute speed. Now I will start the testing. Press it upward. And now the sample will start desealing at 300 mm per minute. Now we can see that the sample is desealed, and now we will see that how much load it has taken. We'll press this memory button. We can see it has taken 2.8 kilogram force. So at this much temperature, pressure and time what we fed it, this is the load per 25 mm. And per 25 mm when I include, so it is the seal strength. So this is how by adjusting different temperature, pressure and time, you can see that how much is the sealing strength. So this is how seal strength test is being performed, and you can control the quality of your sealing and you can perform the R&D on this particular thing. Thank you so much.